Look at me crazy, wonder what I've been up doing. You ain't religious, got you singing hallelujah. You like to blame me for trying to get your mood up. You can't deny that you're vibing without my movements.
What fucking dinosaur is Rotini?
Dude, what do you like to know, bitch boy? Fuck you.
Wait a minute.
Fuck you.
I think the one
Suck my
thing.
dick.
Here, cocksucker.
Bro, you're not even part of the clan. Your name's different.
Yeah, you're a Phil, dumbass.
I don't
Yeah,
even
nice,
know what that means.
nice
dummy.
one, man.
Ask you. Ask you.
Right here.
Alright, I'm gonna say it. What if we played Bind?
No.
What kind of map would a dog play on? Because that's my favorite map.
These guys are power hungry, man.
So what's the deal with airplane food?
What the fuck are they
Oh, no.
talking
Oh,
about,
no.
man?
She switches.
Hey, yo, you guys want to make sense for once in your life? What's going on?
Oh no.
Then literally
Let's
make
go.
They just sent it.
Let's go.
These guys are dumb as hell, dude.
That's so funny.
Alright, what if I did this?
Just choose somebody. One of you fuckers choose somebody.
Wesley,
I
I love you, Wesley. I love you. But please,
Wesley,
Brady has a higher
select it.
KD
Wesley,
with
select it.
Can
Wesley,
you-
select it.
can you play some
Wesley,
sort
select
of?
it. Wesley. I was gonna play a decent character till you fucking did
Like,
that.
who do you know with like flashes and shit?
I mean, I can play Euro.
Okay, that works. You still get you can play whatever the fuck you want. To be honest, we don't have stuns though. Should I just do breach?
Yeah.
I mean, we need an initiator. I feel like the breach brim comp.
But they're gone now.
Fade,
Oh.
Astra, Phoenix, Raze, and Cypher.
It's
So they
about
have
All right,
two
this better make it in the video.
duelists,
If you're
Smith.
watching this and you're not subscribed to Talmud's YouTube, you are doing the bad thing. Click that
Go
motherfucking
subscribe now.
Subscribe to the channel.
I think
Subscribe
Tom
to
should
the
be fucking
channel.
swatted, dude.
Tell much.
Talmud J, YouTube.
Fucking swat that, man.
If you do not subscribe, we'll show up at your house and force you to subscribe.
At gunpoint.
No.
Wait, how's that?
Oxygen.
Worse. You will wish it was a gun that we were holding to your head.
Oh my god.
Rudy, I want
So
you
we're
to
we're playing a
place you-
3-site map. How do you
Okay.
feel?
I usually play. Alright, we should have our aimers on A. That's just a fact.
Okay.
I'm on point today.
Wait.
Okay.
I actually disagree.
I mean, if you want to
There's
switch
a
your
reason why.
I'll
I
just-
think that T-side is easier, and
Okay.
retaking is more of a T-sided. So if our aimers are retaking,
Oh, true,
our
true.
aimers are T-sided.
God, this is why you're so good at chess.
big brain.
Is how I got.
Let's smoke it
so good at
A where they have to
Counter-Strike.
push out to us.
We push this. You want your ult or should I get mine?
It's all you.
Let's go B ult too.
Kick it again. Kick it again, you dumb bitch.
Rush.
Dinked.
Kick it again.
I walled it off.
I'm rotating.
How's B, guys?
Gotta be.
Give me a sec, Yeah, I can't see shit.
I'm smoking mid.
We're
He's
good
smoking
up into the
smoke.
smoke. Short. We gotta go. They know. I'm one.
From ropes.
I'm concussed, full concussed.
Yeah, me too.
Through.
Astra stairs.
Close.
Right at the
Like there's
end.
in between the walls.
Sniper's on site in between.
Well,
God, I hate ping.
One enemy remaining.
Nice,
That's
nice.
true.
That's
That's
a
true.
tree.
where the fuck is tree?
Nice.
This tree?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is true.
Oh shit.
Because of this guy right
big
here.
ass tree. Yeah. I've never even looked. I always call this inside of door or some shit. Or they open
Inside of
doors.
door.
Feel about being because you're the first one in, how do you feel about making the calls?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Alright. Everybody listen to David. What he says is law. If he says go, we're going. If he says back out, we're backing out.
Are we buying or are we
Simon
saving?
says, no,
What are we
we're
doing?
saving. We definitely have to
Oh,
save
we-
here.
David says jump, We say how high.
Okay,
David
so I
says,
say-
come. We say
Jag and I set up A. We do the same camera thing, except I don't get headshot this time. The three of you try to set up like around here. Hold their C push because they will push.
Okay.
Oh, wait. No, you wall it off. We break middle.
Well, let's see. No one pushed. I
got naded.
really want to keep getting Gorbs.
Okay, yeah.
I say we go straight B after this.
Okay.
You're making noise.
Yeah, another smoke. That's okay. We're getting rid of their util.
Nice.
Okay, let's rotate out.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, now let's
Yeah.
go towards C. Now let's make space.
One's pushing B.
Push A, I think.
Holding left.
We walk up.
Two push B.
Okay,
Reloading.
let's-
You guys want help on B?
No, you guys
No,
keep
no,
going
no,
C.
no,
You guys
no,
keep
no.
going C.
Oh yeah, they're doing that. That's fine. Let them wall it off. Careful
I'm
door.
smoking,
Careful
I'm
door.
smoking. Let's go.
I actually rotated. I'm not saying nothing.
They're on C.
Spike planted.
Only
Dave, in between me and you. Oh,
Oh shoot,
okay,
I'm on B
okay.
side right now.
Bucky on site.
Ooh.
Nice. I got one.
One
side.
enemy remaining.
Last guy Bucky.
On site.
Where?
On site. Was on site.
Nice.
you
Well
wasn't.
played.
Well played.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
dude, like that basically the same thing happened to me the first round. I right clicked, but like they moved after I right clicked, but then the blood hit and I was like, oh well.
That's a really big loss on our end. Those are second.
Yeah, they got a bonus round. That's okay though.
We buy for next year, so buy like a Spectre maybe, Rory?
Spectre?
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, because then we can all buy together if we lose. But they're investing right now as well.
Dave, you guys wanna work not A? We'll do the same thing. They're gonna do the same smoke. That's okay.
I can use util. I have full util.
B, pushing B, I think.
Yeah, they're breaking.
Pushing C as well.
There's two holding A.
That's actually. Did you get it?
Yeah, I one tapping.
Hey, wait, Ash, nice.
Dude, full run gun.
There's three on our flank.
Reloading,
There's two on our
reloading,
flank.
reloading.
Let's go, A
Yeah,
guys.
just go away. I got flank. I'm setting trips, so just like we can push.
No charges. No charges.
Thank you.
There's two in their spawn.
I got you guys back.
If I
They
go
still
drop.
Yeah,
Let
I
him
got
drop,
everything
let him
but
drop.
drop. I got everything.
That does like no damage.
I know.
Oh my god, huge.
You don't even need the revive.
You have one more smoke.
Ping.
Enemy remaining.
Nice. Is she lit?
No idea. Wait time.
No way.
Oh my fucking god, that guy sucked. What was he thinking? We didn't even need the fucking revive. That's crazy. We lost an eco, then they lost an eco. But they lost an eco way worse than we did.
No, actually,
God.
they're doing pretty good on money.
Ah man.
Okay. So how about
Let's
four
play
of us?
default.
Okay.
Or, sorry, David, you're the boss. I'm sorry.
Jag, you hold our flank. You be our crazy lurker. You be careful of theirs. Everyone else, let's go C. Slow C.
Hit hard or
Slow. You're gonna push this.
Nice.
Bing, I hate it.
Comms.
I just revive me. That's
Okay, I got two picks. Y'all better go.
C.
Once it's 75. They have no healer.
Ult here. Fuck it.
My ult's ready.
We got time. If we let him, yeah, let him. Wait. I can push this. Wait. You're on your own.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Get
Let's
out,
leave.
get out.
Let's leave.
Okay,
all
we're
there.
leaving. B looks clear.
Yeah, maybe go through B into their spawn.
Yo TP.
Yeah, let's go B. Let's go B. Let's
You
go
guys
B.
can also shoot the Euro 2P.
Oh, you can.
You can break it.
Careful. You want to let me go first because you got bomb, or give me bomb?
Yeah. Nice.
My ultimate's ready.
Here we go.
You guys can go anywhere. Go anywhere.
Okay, we got 40 seconds. We got tons of time. Let's just keep playing it slow. Let's go B.
I'm just playing.
I think they did rotate. That's
Yeah, I think they're rotating now.
Dude, why did we play a baseline map, man? Shit is so cancer.
If you could peek and tell me where they're at, I have.
Oh my god, they have the wall.
Alright, I'm gonna ult main, and then we go. 3, 2, 1.
You're in a good spot. You guys are in a good spot. Oh shit, both came from there. Both on site. Pushing. Play time. We can ping. Careful. Two shots.
Two bullets.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Well played. Well played, man. Honestly, that ninja might give us a lot more leeway.
I shouldn't teleported that far in.
Oh man, dude,
Yeah, no, never do that. Never do that.
I thought maybe they were still there and they would have been pushed up a little bit further, but
I'm just gonna hold close. No armor, Bucky. Oh man, I got a cough.
I'm just gonna do a full
If you see him, I'll just wall it off.
Okay.
Run back.
Oh,
I think
fuck.
on A, I think we're full. Not gonna lie.
I accidentally smoked 3 times.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice.
Good shot.
I'm pushing.
Yeah.
I'm full flashed.
Full flash as well.
I'm gonna chase him.
I'm sashing
Door.
in.
He went door.
He's
Door.
blinded, he's blinded.
Nice.
I'm gonna plant in the middle.
Yeah. I got camera. I can see up top.
Nice.
You can get a res stairs.
No, not this round.
No, not this round.
Drop.
Another drop.
Ulti. That's where he is. He's running, saving. Just save gun. Let's get out.
Stay together. Thank you.
Nice.
they were both there.
They both just left
Yeah,
side.
you could have stuck that. What the fuck?
Yeah, why would they do that?
Do not know.
Oh, I have an ult now. I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna start playing
This
better.
map blows so much fucking.
They're not going C, I think, because I'm playing it. Does someone want to swap me, eh?
Let's swap. I think both of us swap.
Okay.
I mean,
This
Wesley,
map is really bad.
Wesley, you wanna go somewhere, man?
Alright. We'll be B.
I did. We have a fucking. Something.
I'm gonna scout.
There's some purple things on B.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Let's go.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my
I
god.
don't have. Spike, Andrew.
Phoenix was A.
I have this
Nice. Way to get it. Back out.
Get up. Where do you wanna go?
Phoenix was A.
Alex is lurking B.
Oh, fuck me. There's one seaman with Marshall.
I can
It's
flash
in my
you.
blood.
You ready?
Pate's here. Open door.
You want to peek?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flash.
She's here. Left side hill.
Side hill. That was a great blind. I was just too slow. 80 damage. Hey guys, keep shooting. Like pre-firing. Hassan's going behind.
Do I not see this? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, good flank.
Dude, the cipher, by the way, went straight A. I just want you guys to understand his fucking
Oh,
logic.
damn it.
What's up?
Hassan
Yeah.
picked up the Vandal.
Oh, well,
One of you rich folks buy me?
yeah.
That should. Yeah. Okay. That works.
Well, oh, yeah,
That's
that's what to say. Someone wasn't behind Westwood.
Who's playing C? Where are you guys?
Yeah, just.
I'll play it
Weird
now. Ready,
stuff's
go back,
happening.
ready,
It's
go
okay.
back, ready, go back.
I follow the trail.
They walled B early.
Let me jump peek here.
I showed A. I showed A.
They smoked.
Oh, when you're close, Andrew.
Yeah, 2A. 2A. Breach in Phoenix A. Breach in Phoenix A.
That's fine. That's fine. They will know.
Just one. Two.
Got one.
Ruby and Yoru.
Nice.
One's blinded. Yours.
Planting.
Yeah, let's stick this back so I can get a heal.
Spike planted.
Nice. Good
Nice.
retake so far. I don't even need me.
One enemy remaining.
I think he's main. Nice. Perfect
Nice.
retake.
Is there a Vandal somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah. Entrance to C.
And I got a res that didn't insta die.
See, we got sight that time. We just couldn't hold sight. But that was pretty good for pistols.
They stage walled B last time, by the way.
They should break it.
Just
Show
so you know.
present and then cut noise.
Yeah, but don't stop taking 1v1 duels though, right? Like,
Yeah.
I think we're doing that. We're trying to get info, but then we just end up in.
I'm gonna come with you guys B, but I'm gonna like play default with you B, but I'm setting a trip on A and a trip on C.
Yeah,
Okay.
I will swing off your trip. Nice. Good
Let's go.
Okay, we play back. We got a free kill.
Back out. Yeah. Let them panic. Let them put their forces stuff. You know.
Yeah.
They're gonna switch up their rotation now. So then after that,
They're gonna be strong C and B.
Heard one pushing
Yes,
B.
they're weak A. Let's regroup A main. They're not gonna
Group
push
A?
us because they know they're down. You can go C to B, so they're gonna be.
Let's wait for Jag info with Cam.
nothing there. Yori's playing B. It looks like though. Could TP though. Okay, I'm with you, A.
Okay, I'm moving A.
Yep.
Okay.
Walk behind me.
Alex, wanna come back?
Wait, behind me, Andrew.
They broke the wall.
One's there.
Yeah, I'm holding
Hold
it.
that
I'm
for
holding
me.
it. I'm holding it.
Ready?
Yep.
No,
yep.
not yet.
Oh, fuck.
Door's open.
Nice.
They know.
Yeah. Dave, give me a second. I'm going door.
Okay.
Pushing door.
Blind.
Door clear. I got bomb. I'm planting. Planting in corner for door.
30 seconds.
Heading back
Two
door.
up top.
One enemy
Yeah, Dave, it's okay.
remaining.
We're good. We're in a good
We
position.
are broke, so do not die.
Just one left.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I hit one fucking bullet.
It's literally probably ping, to be honest. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. As fucked up as it sounds.
The ping's pretty rough.
Yeah, it's okay. I think we still win this.
We're ping and defending 3 sites. Like it's fucking.
Yeah. Like,
horseshit.
I still think we win this.
I'm just playing stupid.
It's definitely winnable. It's challenging, but it's winnable.
Yeah,
They're not bad players.
they're not. Oh, guys, look at my KDA.
Oh, you devil piece of shit scumbag.
That means I have to push.
God.
Move back, Andrew.
Got one to C.
Nice.
Just hold.
And I'm
Door.
gonna give you bomb, okay?
The spike.
I'm gonna move up here and just boombot.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? I feel like somebody's right here.
Then
Got another one C.
I'm gonna prowl around the corner.
He is.
I'm not peeking C anymore. I'm not going C anymore.
Yeah, somebody's there. Sage is there.
Do you guys want to go somewhere
take that
else?
tool,
Or
Sage is B.
try and push Sage.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
play together. Play
Fla-
together.
get ready for your flash
You
ready,
both have
Alex?
util out. You both have util out.
Okay, I'm gonna see.
Ready,
I'm
when?
gonna flash. Ready?
Yep.
Seizing.
Wait, that's.
Oh, that's a
Oh.
flash.
Full blind.
Isaiah popped off.
I stunned.
could have had the
last
ace.
one's B
I
main.
could've.
But I mean, you were literally out of bullets.
I was, yeah.
No, don't push, don't push, don't push.
Yeah,
don't
we
push.
have bomb, we have
played
bomb.
Purely defensive.
Yeah, 30 seconds. So if they get the spike, they have to go C.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Bro, you like that stun for your last? That was from across the map, bro.
Multi.
2003 chest, by the way.
Need equipment.
Yeah, I mean, it happens. I was full blind
bye.
too, and I saw them. I was like, ah, it's time to spray, I guess.
Okay, guess not.
That was a fucking amazing play.
Oh, they're smoking. Okay. Very strange smoke.
Okay, push up with me. Nice.
Nice, let's push, let's push, let's push.
Okay.
Yeah, take the rifle.
Oh, I'm actually just.
Play together, play
One's
together,
up
play
top,
together,
one's
play
up
together,
top.
play together, play together. We're all split,
Are you
we're all
guys
split
pushing
right
with
now.
me?
We're all split.
Yeah, I'm putting a wall up.
Can't shoot through it. Gonna play door.
I'm gonna play. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Fuck,
I'm smoked
he's in
off
there.
door, I'm smoked off. I have a camera though.
Drop.
I have camera.
Phoenix is 115 drop.
Here, bro, he's playing the smoke with us.
Nice, good stuff. I still have cam. Careful door side.
I'm playing out.
Can someone watch door if they click button?
We can hear them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but they
Yeah.
might get the
I'll
kill.
watch, I'll watch, I'll
If they fuck it up, they kill all three of us.
That's fine.
On site.
I must wait a moment.
Sage.
I have Prowler and I have...
Phoenix was drop.
Peeking. Yeah,
Just
both
pop
on
it,
site
Andrew.
then.
Just pop it.
Oh yeah. Someone's gotta peek him. Someone's gotta peek bomb. Nice. Good stuff.
Nice. Yeah. I think as we just gotta have more people sticking on my ass when I push.
Yeah.
I cannot be that.
A lot of us.
That's
I
gotta
think
be
one of
you,
our-
I think, or
one of
Alex.
our-
That's actually you.
One of our biggest things that we do wrong is when we push, either one or both of us have util out, and it's like, we need to have our guns ready.
Mhm.
The guy in the back has util, so normally, like, before you guys push, I or Prowler, they take their attention on that, we know
Yeah.
where they are, and then you guys can swing off my util.
So if Alex
I'm gonna-
and I push together, we should be okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do that same smoke. We should
Okay.
go.
Somebody buy me! Somebody buy me, please!
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have enough money, I
alright,
don't have enough money.
you.
Just say it earlier, please.
I did.
Tabby, check the VOD.
Alright, what's the play?
Let's
What are we doing?
work towards C.
Work towards C? Okay.
I
thought we had egg ball, but okay.
Nope. I said.
Careful, you're
smoke.
first, Rory. You shouldn't be first.
Yeah. I tagged the breach. He's here though.
Careful, he's gonna
Alex,
use
you gotta
util,
be
he's gonna
first
use
here.
util.
Alex has gotta go first. I don't have a gun.
I'm gonna eye.
Also, you have alt Alex. So once we get up here,
They can still pull off, just so y'all know.
Assist. Oh, he's in. No, I hate him. 80. I wasn't even thinking. I was just
Huge.
holding the spray too long.
Open it again, Wesley? Alright, I got you, okay?
Brim's on site.
Nice.
Somebody's in their spawn. Careful.
Nice, Alex,
Breach
better.
was last seen door.
Phoenix dip.
Breach was last seen door. You stuck on
Last
B.
scene,
I didn't get a
C
pick.
door. Last scene C door.
He's behind it.
Yeah, they all rotated. I bet they're coming behind you.
Oh, that fucking whore, bitch.
Calm down.
I'm gonna save. There's nowhere good to save here.
Yeah, not really.
I dare you to play eggs. That's gonna fuck up their economy.
With our economy.
Yeah. I'm gonna need a buy. I have an ult, and I can't.
Yeah, all of us have.
Careful for exits.
out of
Try and
there,
save your
get
gun.
out
Try
of
and save your
there,
gun.
get
Try
out
and
of
save your
there.
gun. Yahoo! Wow! Good stuff. Stay alive.
Nice.
Last round before the switch.
They're broke.
I can buy
Yeah.
someone.
Oh shit, I can by myself.
Alright,
Don't forget, we can also do our lucky shorty or sheriff.
what do you want to do, Dave?
I honestly just want to peek A with an op proof. right here.
Okay.
Don't
Do
forget
you want me to do the
like
cam?
fellas.
Yeah, so I'll swing after cam.
Try to play defensive, so I can get reses off. I'm gonna play this time, which I think will clue them in that I'm not on B. No, you play aggressive here, and if you die,
They really opt.
Nice peek though.
Can somebody shoot that down? Nice. Okay, maybe we get out of here.
Nice.
Get out.
Okay, let's get out.
You want that off with the rifle?
I'm gonna grab a rifle.
And toss that off away.
Possible TPA. Yeah. Not me. Not on A. Not on A.
Not.
I'm going for this
then.
orb.
Yeah, on me. On me. On me. On me.
okay. And it was walking the other way, so probably going towards
Yeah.
B or C. Should have a
Someone
panel.
playing A. They smoked C at C. Man, I was in the fucking wall.
Are you far back?
No, I'm like right here.
I'm doing it.
Oh god. Yeah, it's last round and a half.
Spike down. One enemy remaining.
That's okay. Someone stay alive. Someone hide. Someone hide. Someone hide. That works too.
Nice.
Just all three peek them. Fuck it.
The res gave info.
Also on both sides.
Switching sides.
You had the
I
right
did not know
idea.
what you
It
called
was just
Oh,
yeah.
it's
This
where
map
the
is.
walls are.
I don't know what this map is, to be honest.
Yeah, all good.
Alright,
I did just want to say, you guys acknowledged that they were broke and they're buying guns, dropping them at spawn.
Yeah,
So they had guns at spawn that they could pick up from you guys.
Oh, pain.
Yeah,
Hey,
who
no,
dropped the
they-
judge in the Vandalin spawn?
I did.
Look, a vandal.
Alex, what the fuck, man?
Fuck.
Sometimes you gotta.
No, no, that's not.
Where are we
Could
going? Where are we
be
going?
if
Where are we
you
going? Wait,
empty
wait.
the
Who's
clip.
playing where? Who's playing where?
I'm playing A.
Alright, I'm gonna play C.
I'm gonna smoke up deep and work up there.
I'm gonna eye out into this dirt pile.
Yeah, I got C.
I'm with you, Dave.
Alright, Wesley, Nick, you guys push in front. We go. Don't take damage.
Like
I'm
all
fully
five.
flashed.
They're gonna push.
Ah, that was
Nice.
really unfortunate.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Oh, what a play.
Nice. Well played. Well played, everybody.
Here.
Wall's broken on pistol rounds.
Unless you just jump over it.
Yeah,
Dude,
that's
wall
true.
is extremely broken on pistol.
Rory, I just want to let you know, your sacrifice was not in vain.
No, I'm all down for that sacrifice.
I'm pretty sure he meant to shoot me and missed and shot you in the head.
Hey, whatever. We got the.
Ooh.
We got the.
Andrew, can you eye C somewhere?
I gotta go see main.
If
Oh
it's
no,
not,
it's all good, all good. I
if
thought you
it's
could do it
not
from
my
here.
Yeah, that'll
favorite
open the door.
round,
All good, all good.
Come on, I actually gonna lurk this round.
I support it.
Behind this wall, I'm gonna stun.
He's 75, and he stopped aiming at you to aim at me. And I'm actually upset about that. Nice. Spike's down. Wesley, you should
shit.
go pick it up.
Oh, wait, what?
On B. Through the door I broke. I thought you
TP to our spawn. Got him. Bomb down on spawn. Bomb down on spawn.
Spike down. Defender spawn.
I heard them B-link still.
One enemy remaining.
Yep. Tagged one.
That's the last
That's where he
one.
is. That's where he is.
Play together.
Nice.
Nice.
Now that's
Fucking
It's been
cunt.
damage against us.
Yeah, I fucking hate Raze, dude. Bitch throw a bomb at me.
That honestly, that's racist.
Yeah, I agree.
Gotta call her out for that.
Alright, we push C.
Yeah. Wesley, wake up.
Wesley, bye. Wesley.
No way he's doing this right now.
Please, Wesley.
That's crazy.
Oh, thankful boy.
Oh, we already made noise. They probably already heard this.
They're there.
You're gonna rotate. I'll give you guys.
I'm gonna try and go for back out. Nice.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Everyone look B.
fine.
Everyone look B. Push through. Going for the plant. Open your eyes. I know you guys are blind, but open them.
Smoking main.
Wait, what?
Play defensive if you can.
2 are gonna be coming from flank, maybe heaven.
Smoking
Okay.
waterfall.
One's here.
The left side there?
Here.
Yeah, left side.
Nice. Very nice.
I'm hacking.
Cypher was C. Who knows where? What the fuck?
Play your
is
life, play your life, play your
psychopath?
life. They're gonna save, probably. Actually, it'd be really bad if they save for them. Run. Oh no, you guys are dead.
Nice, Jake. He had a vandal.
Oh, it's lost to the zone.
Ooh,
Oh.
so close.
I think you had that if you didn't jump.
Oh, what? No way. Oh,
You were spamming and
no.
would have been close enough.
You know what? I didn't want it. I wanted the bulldog.
Right,
Subconsciously, I wanted
Hold
it.
on, yeah, that's the.
Can I buy someone? I can buy someone.
They're very poor.
Jake, could you cam C for me? I want to run.
Uh,
Oh, never mind.
I'll get there late. I'll get there late.
Watch out for judges and buggies. B.
Okay, coming.
I'm gonna give him sight. I'm giving him the sight.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait it out. Maybe give them sight. They're broke. Or they forced. They probably forced.
Oh, what the fuck? There was 1A.
Spawn.
Heaven.
There was someone in that door.
One
Rudy,
flank,
by the way.
one flank.
He's coming up behind you.
Why?
I'm
Why
so
are they on
sorry.
stage?
The wall. I fucking couldn't see him cross.
Cypher was
Planted for
spawn.
Cypher. The bomb's right there. Oh, it's on the left
Push,
side.
push,
of
push,
that.
push fast.
It's on the wall.
Who mollied that?
No, shut the fuck up, dude.
Who mollied that?
I can literally have a
Call
good
that out, bro.
Nah, you're dumb, dude.
Call that out. Run!
Nice.
Get that gun.
Sounds like you're talking about.
Alright, I can't buy anyone that round because I saved my B.
All good. I think we got a half here anyway.
Okay.
Wait, can we?
Alright, they love going B, so I'm gonna set up a trip for whoever plays B and a smoke for them.
Okay, I'm gonna smoke A and play B. With
Oh,
A.
okay, you wanna buy judge then? I was gonna fuck.
I got a
I'm tired of
bug.
them rushing. Watch out for the fucking breach flash. He will flash that corner.
Andrew, can you buy me a sheriff or a Bucky actually? Never mind. Oh, that's all good.
Dave, you wanna play with me? I'm gonna try and do a C peek just to get a pick.
Okay.
Alright, let's push.
2A, at least.
I've been flanking like every round, Jake. So you
Oh
know.
shit, okay.
So I'm gonna grab this orb actually.
Yeah. B's unclear. Yeah, it's E. It's A.
Grabbing Alto.
Are they on?
No.
Nope.
Alright, perfect. We were in really good positioning then. Dave's got a
Open
big
door.
flank if they switch. Just do your best. You guys got this.
GG.
TP behind.
Backside.
Yeah. Yep.
They're on site.
Nice.
Nice. Good shot.
One heaven.
Nice.
Guys. Wait, Wesley, why didn't you call that? What the fuck?
Someone
Upstairs.
just said on site.
On site.
I got you, Wesley. You're the one that I rezzed.
Fucking heaven.
Oh my god. We don't deserve to be in the lead right now.
It's just pure chaos right now.
By the way, that
know,
was
it's so
their
crazy.
eco run. That was their eco run. It was that chaotic.
Oh my god. Dude, look, they used an ult on their eco. Alright, look, that's all I'm saying.
Wait, which
Yo, I'm looking
what
at
did they
feet
use?
right now.
Oh, Cypher.
I'm looking
forget.
at feet right now, guys. I'm looking
Oh,
at
look
feet.
at them bad boys, man.
Straight
Why are
grippers.
you guys cutting them up? Like,
I do
I'm fucking-
masochist.
Oh, run.
fake, it's fake. Oh, you guys actually ran.
Can't push this.
Alright, B. A.
Smoking stairs.
I think that's a good Yoru. Nice, that was a good Yoru. I got one.
Smoking that. Smoking heaven.
Nice, Wesley. They shot at that. So Wesley, I don't know how often you play Yoru, but whenever you teleport, you look the same way that you're looking. So if you look up left and then teleport, you'll be looking up left.
Got him. Mine's dead.
I'm happing it.
Enemy remaining.
Last one unknown. Just
Stick it.
Nice, well done. Good play, guys. Well played.
Tabby, what's your strategy? Tabby, what are they doing?
I can't.
I need the codes.
Complaining because he's not doing good.
Yeah, it's not
Okay to
bitching,
not
it's
do
so
good,
talking.
but you can impact the team greatly by calling out.
Dude, I don't know. That teleport was actually fucking great. He missed.
Yeah.
That was actually a really fucking good teleport.
You gotta buy, Wesley, you gotta buy. Oh, thank the Lord.
Alright, we fucked that. They're gonna be pushing that.
Nice.
Smoking stairs. I have ult. If we can get a plant, I'll play off.
I got no util.
This might
No
be a
plant, no
fake.
plant yet.
This might be a fake. So for there's
Yeah,
only
one on
three
C, one on
people.
C. Brim C.
Yeah, I'm gonna rotate C.
We still don't know where they are. By the way.
Just anchor.
We know where. 1B.
3-8.
3A?
Together, play together.
One's dead now.
You guys should group up and wait for plans.
2 more A lobby.
That's what we gotta see.
35 seconds until I get his.
Smoking hall. Smoking waterfall. I'm gonna play back.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
bomb
Cypher's
my
where I
side.
died.
Oh, you crazy motherfucker.
How the fuck did I get shot?
That's 2 back there. 2 hall.
Y'all are ulted.
Jake, I'm gonna satchel in, okay?
Yeah, careful close left. One right side. Right ping.
Got close left. Back right. Last one back right.
I got stuck in a wall somehow.
Wait, what?
What? It's planted basically for you. Yeah. Oh yeah, you saw her.
Play life.
Fine.
Nice.
Nice. Nah, that's all you need to do. Fucking.
Good shit,
that
man.
was an amazing.
Dude, that was
goal.
a really good clutch.
That was-
Yeah, good. That was Gigabrain ult, Gigabrain clutch.
Gigabrain plant,
Just
Gigabrain,
Gigabrain.
wall. Not Gigabrain.
I don't understand how the Asher didn't die. I don't know where else she could have been. Through
She
that
got-
wall.
Her wall, when I pulled out my molly, I got stuck in it.
What?
So I think like if you hold like a flash or something, you get stuck first.
That's just high ping activities in it, mate.
It's either that or I'm fucking pinging, dude. I'm pinging.
Man, it's real though.
Alright, we gotta stop trolling and buy round.
Smokes on A.
Yeah.
I'm gonna rotate. Do you want to play B off my trip, Andrew?
I got a fucking class.
One in our spawn? Question mark?
Yeah.
One on site A.
That's probably gonna be
I'm gonna go B and break the wall just for noise.
Okay.
Careful now.
They won't expect to fucking rotate when we're in this deep. Tell you what.
Honestly, yeah. Fuck it.
Is door open?
Two. I can't push through.
Main, I'm flanking him, Jake.
Got him.
Nice.
On B, on B.
Coming A, coming A.
2 footsteps B.
Okay, I'm gonna go A flank and go through doors.
Yeah, on A. Careful spawn. They could have gone through B to A.
Oh my god.
Nice. I'm with you, I'm with you.
I thought I heard one door.
Yeah. One door.
Behind you.
Drop. 80.
Oh, that was very clutch.
Ping God.
Nice.
Very good.
Nah, you did the best you could do. Oh, I gotta save.
Yeah.
Let's do a half.
I gotta save.
Any patterns that anyone's noticing that we're not exploiting?
They show presence A a lot.
Yeah, I think we always
pretty
need
much
to have
every time.
2 people A just straight up, just like for the info.
Yeah.
Maybe I can start playing A when I have
That'd be-
better util, like after this round.
Sounds good. C, they only ever commit to C if they start C at the beginning as well.
I'm gonna smoke.
B.
Okay, I'm rotating.
No, don't fully rote yet. But
At least once.
Oh, hard right?
One close right. Waterfall. Smoking waterfall. Smoking hall.
So you scared the fuck out of me? I'm sorry.
Go. I got you.
I hear them all.
It's planted default. We can't play this from long.
Waterfall right now.
Everyone just play your life.
Alright. I'll bait.
Yeah, I got
Don't
the
let him
fucking
through.
Smoking hall. Mauling hall.
Alright, they just finally broke the wall. You and me, Wesley.
Not that cipher, dude.
Onside. Two. Corner.
Oh, thanks. I had one bullet and was scared reloading.
Wait, how many did I stun? My assists?
I could stunned all of them, to be honest.
What the fuck?
Wesley, that was an amazing crossfire.
Yeah, that was great, guys.
I got my triple-double, guys. I'm good.
Alright, they play their smokes off of noise. I've noticed. As soon as we make noise, Astra smokes.
Yeah.
So let's walk up A. And then go really loud as soon as we're on.
Okay. Yeah, feel free to die here. I'll wall in res.
Yo, can y'all be loud, C?
They're just pre-firing. That's the lurker.
Tagged 1A. Just one.
they're defaulting right now. They're all just still in their spawn.
Okay, Phoenix is still C, but I wouldn't worry about it.
I got no cam. Smoke's A.
They smoked me off.
That's fine. They're waiting for a pick.
I feel like they're all rotating right now.
The game we 13-3'd, we played in a mob and we just were unkillable.
Watch this.
I have ult.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Smoke.
2 footsteps. Yup.
2B. Yeah, if you want to rotate, Rory, I can stay. Nice, good pick. We don't have to force anymore. We got the pick. They might res. Yeah, there it is.
Try and kill it.
No, they walled.
Ah, shit.
We go A.
Yeah, I think so too, actually, now that you mention it. We gotta go fast. They still have 5 up.
Door left, door left, door left.
I think we fight door.
30 seconds left.
Smoking
Alright, never
door.
mind, never mind.
Mollying door.
Oh, I'm getting so much ping. On site, mid site.
Dude, yeah, no, my ping there was ridiculous.
Guys, come.
Tell me.
Yeah, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. They have to commit. They have to push.
10 seconds left.
One door. Oh,
One door, one door.
On bomb, peeking door.
Oh, you're huge. You have ult, play off ult.
Went to default.
You hear going spawn?
Yeah, I hear both.
Yeah, he's there.
Enemy
Last one
Nice.
was top.
He has ult.
And play defensive.
No
Alright,
worries.
Brim was playing door last time.
Impressive wiring.
Nice.
Let's go.
Nice. Well played, man.
We're still in this, baby.
Still in this.
Yes, sir. Line of sight. Once they're
Ooh, we are kind of poured over.
Okay.
Nice try, nice try. So if it goes to half, it doesn't make noise again?
No, it doesn't.
No, it does.
It made
No, it made noise.
I heard
I
the
was
noise.
gonna peek, but.
Oh, I
not
just
very
didn't. I
smart.
didn't hear it.
should've just-
Yeah, it's because of the bombs, dude. I guarantee it's because of the bombs.
You know what to do.
It's pro B. Walk.
It's fucking heaven. Heaven is
She might drop this, she might drop this. Run, 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 run.
Huge play.
Rude.
I'm gonna go for a big flank.
Careful, careful. Keep your gun out if you're flanking them.
Okay, well, one's C main.
Guns out, play together. Guns out, play together. Guns out, play together.
4K. Where did Hassan already go?
Already got one.
Alright. So Hassan 4K. Hassan 3K.
One enemy remaining.
Last one was C.
Spike down B.
Was.
Yeah, he's door. He's pushing from door side. Your side. I got the door side.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 1v2 already. Come on now.
You have full utility.
Yep.
Nice, Jake.
Nice.
Doesn't actually try the same old tricks.
Winnable.
Sorry, I can't buy anyone. Sorry.
All good.
Yeah,
I
I'm
can
broke
have.
either.
They're kind of broke too. It's gonna be a half buy from kind of everyone.
Oh, I didn't mean that selfless. I just meant someone light armor or something.
Give me this, Hassan.
Oh man, okay.
This is happening.
Do we just full
Alright.
A? Just full rush A?
Dude, I don't know, there's smokes and util on A is ridiculous, but we could,
Everybody
yeah.
just rotate through tree.
Okay.
We just go.
If you die, try to die in the crowd. So I can grab your gun.
Smoking heaven and drop.
Right in the middle,
Push, push, push.
Yep,
Everybody go, everybody go, everybody go.
I drop bomb, someone's gotta get it down.
You got ulti?
Yeah.
Spike
Play back. I'm not in a good spot yet.
Yeah, yeah. I'm hanging out. They walled.
They got guns now.
I
Well,
heard
we
one
just have
drop.
mini guns.
Can you smoke me off, actually? Like,
Like,
here.
I got 60 Yoru, 60 Brim.
Nice pick.
There's your brains.
Flank, last one's flank. And she's on site now, true. Nice.
Nice.
attackers.
GG.
Another 13-11 kind of embarrassing, man.
That was a good
That was a good
game.
one. That was a very good one.
Shit map. Literally, can we like just make fun of Tao for the rest of his life or something?
Dude, fucking map selection, man.
You know what? Still better
Dumbass
than that like
map,
3 and 13 stomp that we got that one time.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It was all from that
Fuck
one
you,
dude.
Good fucking game.
Yeah,
Good
that was
game.
That was good.
Yeah, GG's. Wait, hold on.
Good fucking game. GG. GG.